In this video, we're going to get you set up with citation management software. The one I'm going to show you is Zotero, and it's going to allow you to get your academic work done faster so you can engage with more academic ideas, or you can just go and live your life and have fun. So, in a class today, I sent a poll out on Zoom saying, are you familiar with citation management workflows like Zotero? Now, 5% of people said yes, very experienced. 22% said sorta, kinda, and 74% of people said, so what? So I figured it would be handy for me to make a quick video about how it works, both for those students and for you across the internet. So here we are in the application. It's kind of, I think you can think of this like the iTunes for academic work papers. I'll show you, this is a collection that I've been building for a while. These are mostly papers on spatial cognition, and I can sort these by year. But let's start with a student demo collection here. You can right click and make new folders. This is what it'll look like when you download it. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So let's download something and see how this works. Let's look for a paper on cats, perhaps. So I'm typing in cats, and let's filter by peer-reviewed journal articles, and I'll give a filter within the last 3 years. Okay, now I am not a hardcore scientist, but let's download this one. What caregivers don't tell you: a comparison between survey responses and home videos of cat interactions. Okay, so we're going to click on that. We're going to click to open in a new window. We're going to look for the PDF. Here it is, View PDF. And we are going to download that. Okay. Now, oftentimes when a download comes in, there's no special naming. You see this file is named 1-s2.o. And if you've done this before and you've downloaded 4 or 5, 10, 20 papers that look good, you'll quickly find that you get lost. And this is really one of the first things that the software can help you with. Now watch this. I'm going to click on that PDF. I'm going to do Control-Alt while still holding down my mouse, and I'm going to drop it right on this folder. And now watch what it does. It looks at the metadata inside the paper, and it creates us this top-level file that gives you the title, the author, the year, all of this stuff. You see that? So here's the PDF that we downloaded, and here's the top level. Now, the second thing that makes this so valuable is when you're done citing, you can just right-click on as many of these papers as you want. And you can right-click and you can say Create Bibliography from Item. So let's say MLA, copy to clipboard. Okay. We're going to go to the paper we're writing here on cats. Let's say Bibliography. And we're going to paste that in. Look at that. Now that's going to save you a lot of time. So let's just go through that workflow once more. I'm going to go to my library. This time I'm going to type maybe video games and cats. We are going to filter it by peer-reviewed journal articles within, let's open it up. That's pretty specific. Let's say the last 5 years. Okay, mixed reality, human, virtual cat. Hungry Cat's a serious game for conveying spatial information to the visually impaired. That sounds good for me because I'm interested in spatial stuff. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to look for that PDF, which is right here. I'm going to ignore all this stuff. I don't want those. I just want that one PDF. Did I get it? I think I did. You see? So in this case, it hasn't been named too badly, but it's not perfect. So we're going to click that. Hold down the mouse, Alt-Tab over to Zotero, let it go. And will it do its magic? It's thinking. It is. There it is. Okay, so that was 2019, the author. So let's just say we had written something about all of these. I'm going to select all of these. I'm going to right-click. Create bibliography from items. Copy to clipboard. Go back to my paper. And paste, and it will do the alphabetical order for you too. So I hope you see how handy this is. This will save, if you've been doing this manually, I think this will save you a whole lot of time. And it's just great because you can go back and actually look at papers that you've interacted with in the past. Finally, I'll show you one more trick here, and that is you can go to the Zotero connector, and that will quickly allow you to add an extension on Chrome. And then when you come up here, if you pin it, it'll show up here. And then anytime the application is open, you can cite something. So let's say we're on the web and we're looking at cats and video games. And we see a cool article. Okay, game rant. Here we go. 8 feline-themed video games. Well, I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to click on that, save to Zotero. And you will notice that here it is. It has the author, the year, and you can click on that and it will also take you to that website. And just as the others, we can click all those again. Right-click, create bibliography, copy to clipboard, go back to our paper, and it will have given us the formatting for the website here too. Okay, so I really hope that's helpful. If you didn't know this, let me know in the comments if there's something that I missed that you think I could be doing better, or you see something that I screwed up. Let me know. And I wish you all lots of creative thoughts on your writing. So good luck.